Introducing the DeLonghi Magnifica EVO, your ultimate at-home barista. Create cafe-quality espresso, lattes, and cappuccinos with just a touch. With the built-in LatteCrema System, enjoy perfectly frothed milk every time. The Magnifica EVO comes with 13 adjustable grinder settings to deliver the perfect grind for your coffee beans. The customizable settings let you adjust coffee strength, volume, and temperature to your liking. Effortless, fully automatic brewing and one-touch recipes bring your favorite drinks right to your kitchen. Elevate your coffee experience with the DeLonghi Magnifica EVO. Order yours today.